हम जो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन हम जो ये कॉस्ट्यूम शो आप सभी के सामने प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन उस कॉस्ट्यूम शो को ओपन करने के लिए वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट, जो कि कहीं बाहर से नहीं बल्कि हमारे ही राज्य से हैं, जिन्होंने मिस्टर इंडिया का खिताब जीता था 2022 में और जिन्होंने त्रिपुरा को इंटरनेशनली रिप्रेजेंट किया था मिस्टर इंटरनेशनल, जो कि फिलीपींस में हुआ था. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, लेट्स पुट हैंड्स टुगेदर फॉर मिस्टर इंडिया 2022 मिथुन देव वर्मा ऑन द स्टेज.
एक जोरदार तालियां होना चाहिए. कम ऑन एवरीवन, कम ऑन.
Let the show begin. Can we have the music, please? Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have Mr. India 2022, Mr. Mithun Dev Verma with Tripuri Tribe. Along with their costume show, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the festivals, the art and culture celebrated by the Tripuri community. Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Jamatia community with their beautiful festivals, Goria. Ladies and gentlemen, for you on the stage, the Riang community celebrating the beautiful festival of Hojagiri.
The second largest tribal community of our state, recognized as one of the 75 primitive tribes of our country. Ladies and gentlemen, Riang community on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Chakma community with their beautiful attire. with the festivals like Bizu. The art and cultures really spellbound us.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have Munda on stage. The Munda community, one of the central Indian tribe and recognized as an immigrant tribe in Tripura. Original homeland of Mundas was at Chota Nagpur. People of eastern and central parts of the Indian subcontinent are any of several Munda-speaking ethno-linguistic groups of Austroasiatic region. We witnessed the Munda community.
So ladies and gentlemen, now the models are representing Tribal community.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage now we are having the Halam community. Ladies and gentlemen, this Halam community doesn't come along. It comes with other sub-tribes as well, like Bengshel, Dub, Kaipeng, Koloi, Karbong, Lengul, Mushum, Rupini, Shukuchep and Thangchep, consisting of 10 other sub-tribes, this beautiful Halam community.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Noatia tribe with us. আমরা যেরকমটা বলেছিলাম আপনাদের, অনুরোধ করেছি আপনাদের, তাদের প্রত্যেকের জন্য আপনারা করতালি দেবেন। আপনাদের এই করতালি পৌঁছে যাবে তাদের প্রত্যেকের ঘরে ঘরে। Noatias are one of the important tribal groups in our state. Though Noatias are a part of Tripuris, they are treated as newcomers, and this particular tribe we find mainly in the North Tripura district of our state. They have their wonderful costume, jewelry, their own musical instruments. Ladies and gentlemen, what a wonderful way of showcasing all the 19 tribes of our state. They all are coming in their own attributes, their own jewelry, and we all are saying it loud today that our state is a state where culture, history and legacy, they all mingle with each other every minute and in fact in every second.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Khashia community of our Tripura.
Khashia belongs to Austroasiatic brachial stock, and their language could be grouped under Monkar groups of language. They are famous for their matrilineal society. This kind of tribes we mostly seen in our neighbor state, that is Meghalaya, but আমাদের রাজ্য এই খাসিয়া ট্রাইব আমাদের সঙ্গে আছে। আমরা চাইবো প্রত্যেকজন ট্রাইবের জন্য আপনারা একটা জোরে তালি দেবেন আমরা সবাই মিলে।
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Garo community of Tripura. This Garo community celebrates the One Gala as a beautiful festival here in Tripura. Ladies and gentlemen, the Bhutia community of our Tripura.
We mostly see the Bhutia community in Bhutan, but we are very much fortunate that in our state, Tripura, this famous community belongs with us.
And now we have the Lepcha community. We all know the Lepcha language, which is also known as Rang, is spoken in Sikkim mainly, and even in parts of West Bengal, Nepal and Bhutan. An indigenous language with its own script, and is considered a mix of Nepalis and Sikkimese.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have now the Lushai community of our Tripura.
যে রাজ্যকে নিয়ে আমরা প্রতিনিয়ত অহংকার করি, যে রাজ্যের মিশ্র জনবসতি নিয়ে আমাদের গৌরব, তারই কিছু কিছু ঝলক আপনাদের সামনে আমরা তুলে ধরছি। রাজ্যের পর্যটন দপ্তরের তরফ থেকে আজকের এই প্রোমো ফেস্টের চূড়ান্ত দিনের যে আয়োজন, সেখানে আরো একবার আমরা বলতে চাইছি, আমরা সবাই মিলেই এই রাজ্য। এরপরে মঞ্চে মগ জনজাতি। The Lushais, most of them they reside in Jamboi Hills area of Tripura. They live on Jhum cultivation and hunting of wild animals, and after you enjoyed that community, now we have the Mog community on stage.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now with us, the Orang community.
On the stage, ladies and gentlemen, the Orang community. Side by side, ladies and gentlemen, you can see the beautiful culture, the art, the delicacies and the festivals of this Orang community on the screen.
They are the largest tribe in the Jharkhand and West Bengal in terms of population, but are also found in the states of Orissa, Bihar, Assam, and obviously in our state. Ladies and gentlemen, the Santals are an Austroasiatic speaking Santali ethnic group.
Ladies and gentlemen, now we have with us Uchai community.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the stage we have the Uchai community. On the stage, ladies and gentlemen, now we are having the Bhil community of our Tripura.
Ladies and gentlemen, these people are an ethnic group of northeastern India states of Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and in our state, Tripura. This community we can see mostly in Myanmar. Along with Myanmar, we can see them in our neighbor country, Bangladesh also.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Kuki community includes more 17 sub-tribes including Balte, Balahut, Chalya, Darlong, Phon, Hazungo, Jangte, Khareng, Kapeng, Kunte and many more. So on the stage we had Kuki community. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, we have the Bengali community of our Tripura. On the stage we have very gorgeous Nikita Ghosh, the Femina Miss India 2024.
যে গৌরবের কথা আমরা বারবার বলছি, আমাদের এই গৌরব সার্বিক এবং এই গৌরব আপনাদের প্রত্যেককে সঙ্গে নিয়ে, আমাদের এই গৌরবের উত্তরাধিকার আপনারা সবাই। এই রাজ্যের পর্যটন দপ্তর আপনাদের প্রত্যেকের কাছে আজ আন্তরিকভাবে কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করতে চায়। আপনারা এত সুন্দর করে এই আয়োজনে এসেছেন, সবাই মিলে সামিল হয়েছেন। গোটা রাজ্য এবং গোটা দেশ তথা পৃথিবীর কাছে আমরা এই বার্তাটুকু আজ দিতে চাইছি। আসুন আমরা সবাই হাতে হাত রেখে ধর্ম, বর্ণ, জাতি, গোষ্ঠী নির্বিশেষে আমাদের রাজ্যকে এই দেশের এবং এই পৃথিবীর অন্যতম একটি আকর্ষণীয় কেন্দ্র